Hello friends, let's continue with the app. So we had a image view here, right, in the last lecture. So let's just have an outlet for that so that you can interact with it. It's photo image view. So let's do this. Go back to your storyboard. That's your storyboard. Click on the assistant editor. Click on control. Select your image. So here, if you see a problem like this, it's always you have to go back to automatic and view controller, because it's showing a default view controller that it inherited, not the one that you wrote. So click on here. Let's keep the properties in the same place. Okay, so let's keep a weak reference. I'll explain you what a weak reference is, but photo image view. Basically, it is a reference that is not gonna stay. So if you have like a circular reference, or if you have like um, A pointing to B and B is pointing to A, then if A gets as no reference to B anymore, but B still keeps holding the reverse reference. So that's where garbage collector will not be able to collect your references. So you always want to have like a weak reference to the view controller. Okay, that's a very small detail, but there's more to it. Okay, now the next thing that I want to show you is when you tap on this image, you want to be able to select. So let's go to this assistant editor. Standard editor, sorry. You should be able to like select an image from a gallery and then put it on here. As simple as it sounds, there's some work to be done there. So click on this, click on the object library, just type tap gesture and drag it on the view. So you saw like you got a new tap gesture here. Now click on the assistant editor, go to your tap gesture, control drag, it's in action. So here you have to select UI tap gesture. Then you can give it a name like select image from gallery. For this, whenever you select an image from the gallery, so whenever you actually tap, you call this method and we can write some logic to actually select an image from the gallery for this. The next thing is, I think we covered all this. So in order to be able to launch the gallery and pick an image from there, you have to implement a delegate. So basically there is this UI image picker controller delegate, which provides you some methods. So I mean, delegate is nothing but like it's a protocol. You're implementing the methods that it provides, which and it lets your view controller um, take action, to be able to pick it. Then once you pick the image, then you want to throw it back to your view controller, right? So you need a navigation control delegate so as to get that. So it helps with basic navigation responsibilities. Okay, so we know what we want to do here. We need to implement a couple of delegates. One is the image picker controller delegate and the navigation controller delegate. So go back to standard editor, click on your view controller, the UI image controller delegate. The next thing is UI navigation controller delegate. So once you implement these two methods, now you should be able to add some code in your select image from photo gallery. So first thing what we want to do is, if we are having the text view selected on the keyboard itself, we want to dismiss that. So our text field is that we just define first responder, and that will dismiss the keyboard. I think this lecture is going to go a little longer than others. Just bear with me. The next thing is you want to be able to pick an image, right? from the photo library. So you need to add UI image picker controller. So you need to define a method image picker plus UI image picker controller. Don't necessarily need to have a semicolon, but I'm having it anyway. Then you need to mention that the source type is going to be for a gallery. It's equal to that didn't like it. So it looks like here source type. I expect to remember. So it looks like as a constructor. Yeah. So this has to be a constructor. And it will let you do that for the gallery photo library. So there you go. And that lets you pick an image from the photo library. And then you want to tell the delegate that you want to be called back after the image is picked. So image picker dot delegate also. Okay. Now we use an instance. So let's see what it's saying here. Click on this. Cannot be used as an instance type. Source type cannot be used as an instance type because there's no capital S, it's small s. So always look at the color changing to green when you Xcode. And use a little bit of intuition there. Okay, so once it is picked, you want to present the view the current view controller, right? So basically, you want to show it, and then you have to provide the delegate for that. So this will ask the view controller to present the view controller defined by the image vector controller. So here is how you define. The completion parameter refers to the completion. So basically, this lets the delegate present your view controller. That's what this means. Okay. So present image picker, animated, I have it as true. So I animate a little bit. Completion handler is no. That was like you don't have any completion handler. So basically it's the code that executes after this presentation is done. Okay. So that's the total code that takes care of presenting and showing it back. Now there are a couple of things. After we have finished picking, since we have said that we are the delegate, so this just presents, right? But you want to do something with the image that you've got. Or if you cancelled on that photo gallery, then you want to do something or you want to come back, right? So you want to dismiss the picker, right? The image picker. So you do need that. So let's learn that. Just keep typing did cancel. Automatically know the image because did cancel. So dismiss animated to. I'm just pressing tabs. That's how I kind of navigate between those grayed out boxes where you can type things. So that's when you cancel on the image picker. But if you did want to select the image picker, right? So you have did finish picking media with info. So that's what you want to implement. So start typing that did finish did finish info. That's some similar methods. That's that. So once that is called, you have picked up the image, right? What do you want to do there? So you want to get that image, right? So that is coming as a part of this dictionary of key info and anything. So any names like it can have value of anything. type any. So let's do that. So you want to get that image, right? So first thing you need to do is guard let. So selected image equals info of. So we want to get the original image. It can be of any type. So keep start having original image. So original file. What they do? So it's a UI image picker controller original. So you'll get this by as a practice. Image pickers because you're dealing with image picker. So you gotta type that original controller typing. You can't possibly remember everything. That's right. I'm gonna copy from here and see what happens. All these things have changed in Xcode in the new versions of iOS. Basically, you're saying that it's going to be a UI image. Whatever you want to get, it's going to be a. And if you don't get that, then it's going to be a fatal error, right? Just say fatal error. You give a message. We expected an image. But so when you have a backslash and colon, and it gives you the real information. So let's see. So here we have a typo, and did like that actually. So there was that. So it could be a cropped image, it could be a media URL or edited image, but you want the original image. That's what we're saying. Now, once you have got that image, it's going to be in the selected image. It says it has been renamed. UI picker control. So they put it as a part of like animation. So let's fix that. Okay. And then when you have a guard, you have an else. You just have a let, and you don't have an else. You have it. It's like a reverse. It's a negation of this let or if. That's what it means. Okay. The next thing is once you got the image, you want to actually load that in your image view, right? So you have the photo image view dot image equals whatever we got selected image. Okay. And once we have done that, once we have set that, we want to dismiss that image picker, right? So that is dismiss animated true. This is completion handler as well. And now don't want to execute any other code after it completes. Now let's do the magic. Let's run it. What do you expect? You expect all these things to be working, right? Let's see what happens. So running the code, and there you go. And then let's click on this. Oh, nothing's happening when you click on it. So there are several reasons for this. Oh, actually, it did come up. It's quite slow. Okay, so you can click one of these images and put it in here. Oh, so it worked as expected for us. And let's see the logging here. Errors encountered by discovering extensions. Query cancel. System content. So it did work. Tap on it. Tap on these flowers. And it's selected. Tap on it again. Let's cancel it. Left the original image. Select on it. Let's select copies. Tap on it. Cancel. So that's that. It's a very good demonstration. Okay. Thank you for watching this lecture. I'll check back with you guys later in the next lecture. Thank you.